$1,500. In early 2026, that budget is the ultimate sweet spot. With the new RTX 50 series and AI processors, you can finally get elite performance without the elite price tag. First, the Lenovo Legion 5i Generation 11. It's the gold standard. You get a stunning 2.5K OLED display and an RTX 5060 that stays cool under pressure. It's the safest pick on this list. Second, the Acer Nitro V16. If your budget is closer to $1,000, this is the value king. It packs a Ryzen AI 9-chip and raw Blackwell power for the lowest price possible. Third, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. It's the portability king. It weighs just 3 pounds. Looks like a premium ultrabook, but it runs AAA games like a beast. Perfect for students. Fourth, the Alienware 16X Aurora. This is for the frame rate hunters. It's the only one at this price where you'll find a high-wattage RTX 5070. It's loud, it's fast, and it's powerful. Finally, the HP Omen 16. The stealth choice. No flashy lights. Just a clean, professional look with 32 GB of RAM as standard. Bottom line, in 2026, don't settle for less than 32 gigs of RAM. Which one are you buying? Let me know in the comments.